Hello, 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 hello. CRO, cool. You holding mana Shiba and at the moment, Ben? Okay, nice, 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 nice. Yeah, we talked about this one yesterday about breaking above that 60 level and looking for new all-time high, and it's done really well. Like I didn't think I was gonna look for that dollar like right away, but it's going for a dollar like pretty quickly. Crypto, what do you mean? What are you saying? What are you saying? Hello, Queen of Hearts. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, guys. Green, yo. Um, Good evening, Rita. Hello, guys. Virus TC. Hello. Kelly. Kelly. The music. Okay, Adam. Hello. Trick. What do you say, Trick? Hi, hi, Rita. Shiba Burn. Dimitri. No, no sheep, no more sheep. Well, not from, no more Shiba burns until we break above. Until we get back above a new all-time high. Unless you guys want to, but I think we should wait. To the moon, William. To the moon, Rachel. Hiya. Hello. Wagwan, Wagwan, Kyle. How are you? Happy? Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Hi, Foamy Whiskey, Martin. Hello. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Today's Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. Here you go. Sunday, and then we are ready for the week. And yeah, today is what, the 20th, the 21st. Okay. DM, hello. Hi, Beth. Just joking. Okay, sounds good, Dimitri. Ooh, I just took some oregano, or whatever. It feels weird. It just feels weird. Shiba's dead. Don't think it is. It's clearly moving candles, so I don't think Shiba's dead. Uh, Coin to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Is that a green screen? No, it's a green screen, Dimitri. It's a green screen. That's why you can't really see my hot rates hat because it's green and you can't see it. Can I turn it off? Pretty sure I can. Let me go to settings here. I want to see the green screen. Where do I turn this thing off? I want to see my. If I do blue, there you go. Right, the hat. The hat. Hi, Amber. Hello. Oh, chroma, chroma key, chroma key. What's a chroma key? Chrome key. Just giving people a few minutes here, and then we can get into all the rubbish that we need to cover. Praying Gala continues to run. Gala, okay. Praying Gala continues to run. Will EMP pump? What's okay? I can take a look at the chart. I know that thing's basically been sitting at the same level for some time now, so I can take a look at the chart and then go from there. No, this thing's done really well. I know we looked at this yesterday, so let me pull up the daily chart here for crypto.com token here. So we talked about this level yesterday, right? This 60 cent level here. So we broke above that and then ran all the way to what 80 82. Wow, very nice. 82 guys. Wow. Uh, yeah, no, like I mentioned, like I know there were quite a few people that are looking for a dollar on this name here, and beyond. Again, I think the Chargo was a dollar for end of the year, but this thing's done really well. Like it's done really well in the last, in the last week or so, the last 2 weeks, it's done really, really well. So yeah, yeah. So support would still be here at 60 cents all right. So for example like for like right here where we break above like a key resistance level here at 40 cents, we go for a very nice run all the way to what 52. We still come back all the way down and test this 40 cent level before going again, right? So we might just come back down. What type of music is this? We might just come back down and test this 60 cent level, but there's so much momentum with this that I can just see it running. I can just see this thing continue to run. So, it does look really good. Julie, hello. Hi, Bulldog. Hello. Would have been a good swing. 70 to 76. Welcome. Yeah, would have been a good swing just above 60 cents. As soon as you broke above that 60 cent level, then to whatever level, right? So don't forget to smash the like, guys. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah, if you want to share the link as well, so we get some more people here, that would be amazing. And just zooming. Stake to claim mine. Oh yeah, yeah, Queen, yeah, yeah. Crystal, yeah, Crystal's been busy. Crystal, don't know what to tell you. Already. So that's Crow. I know people call it Crow. Some people just call it crypto.com, CRO. So whatever is easy, right? So let me take a look at Gala because I know Gala is another one that someone just asked for here. Grab the right chart. Yeah, like Gala's done well. Right, Gala's done really well. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that and not even touch it. So below 40 cents is at 40. No, that's really 45. So again, this thing's had a very nice run. So basically what you're looking for here again, this one is gaming. So I wanted to talk about the metaverse there, but no, this is gaming. So this again, this thing's had a very nice run. So we're basically just waiting for this thing to find a level of support and then go from there, right? So we talked about being patient for this thing again. If you're looking for a brand new position, either waiting for that this level here at 30 cents or waiting for it to clear 45 and actually hold above, right? So but again, it does look good, right? It looks really good. So yeah. And if you're looking for an entry, I'd be waiting for 30 cents or below. Right? To test the 90 EMA or something like that, or break about 45 cents and find a base, right? They gave it to me for signing up, Queen. Okay, well that's ice cream money, Queen. How much of a correction you think it will have, Sam? I can take a look. Is it too late to get into? I honestly like I don't like you can still make gains. Like you can still make some very nice gains, but it's just it's always nicer to buy stuff on a dip. So it just because when you're buying assets going up, of course there's room that thing can absolutely keep going, but you're gambling a little bit that it just continues going, right? You're just right. So again, it's always safer to wait for those dips. Let's go, Stuart. Yo, how are you, Stuart? How are you? What's up from Utah? Utah, Utah. Hello, hello. Better than free? Yep, it is. Honestly, like some of these coins that you get for signing up for things here, these platforms here, um, yeah, they're better than EMC. whatever, whatever. Let me take a look at. You know what? I want to go over to like Coin Market Cap here and see some of these names here, and then we can come back and take a look at some news articles there for crypto, because those are always fun to look at. I like looking at the trending like the trending list here for the last 24 hours on crypto.com here. So not a whole lot here that I really yeah, like I see Meta Doge there. This one's up 600%. 24 hours, 42% in the last 24 hours there. Cody, all right. So, but other than that, honestly, there's not a whole lot on here that we are paying attention to. I see Gala, then Shiba, and Sandbox and Mana. So again, from number 11 to 14 there, those are some names that we are paying attention to. But those ones are all retracing, right? Most of them are. They've had some very nice run. Mana's had a nice run. Sandbox again, Metaverse plays there. Shiba retracing as well. Gala retracing. So yeah, yeah. And then Coco's had a very strong run yesterday. Today it's given away 36% of it. So surprise, no. So that's why you want to be careful with these movers and try not to chase. BNB again. So people are starting to compare a crow to BNB here, right? I keep getting these questions like, oh, do you think crow is going to where like BNB is, right? Binance Coin here, right? When you take a look at $570, they'll try to compare that to this, right? So what else here? So that's the trending list there. Let me take a look at gainers and losers here. Angry Squid. What's Angry Squid, guys? Angry Squid is up what 300% in the last 24 hours. Angry Squid, Mars Space, Informax. There's just so many things. Like there's so many things, guys. Honestly, like it's like I don't know what to tell you. uh, there's so many things to look at with these names here. And then so those are the gainers there. Losers, I don't really see anything here that we've been following on the losers list here. So most visited Shiba Inu. Okay, cool. Cat Girl, interesting. Shiba Inu number 13, Bitcoin number 14, Gala number 17, Crow number 19 there, Avax number 20, Mars Inu, Ethereum number 22, Radio Kaka, one of the top ones when it comes to the metaverse, right? Saitama there. We know they've had some some negativity in the media lately, right? Decentraland here, number 26, number 27, Sandbox. Yeah, no, just taking a look at what people are really paying attention to. Let's go, Colin. How are you? Polkadot City? Stuart, I don't know what to tell you, honestly. I don't know. It's still undervalued. Place, it's undervalued. Resisting the FOMO. That's what you're trying to do. Why didn't we hear from, what do you mean, Joe? From Crow? Day of football and chilling. My team won their semifinal. What team is that? Stuart, what team is that? Like just like your league team? The old man how did I do? You're green. You're green, Crystal. Nah, nah, nah. There we go. Right, so I just wanted to take a look at some of those names there, but let me search up Crow here on CoinMarketCap here. I want to take a look and see if these guys actually have any news articles here. So Staples Center rally continues latest setting new all-time high. Cool. Funded now. Let's see what that's actually saying there. Close that out there. Crypto.com. Network projects. Okay. Wait. That's pretty cool. I know you guys can see that. Once, give me a second here, guys. That's actually really cool. Give me a second. Let me pull this up here. Just reading an article here, and then I came across this picture here. Right. So that's a tweet. Like that's a tweet from Crypto.com. There, we are extremely proud to announce that Staples Center, Los Angeles' most iconic arena, is getting a new name. Wait. Is that actually true? Like that's true? Wow. Okay. Maybe that's where this rally is really coming from. Here. Yeah, that's actually come from these guys. Like that's a tweet. 1.1 point out 1 point. Yeah, that's a tweet from. Wow, that's impressive. Actually, it's old news. Is that actually old news? How come I haven't seen that before? Okay, November the 16th. Well, November the 16th, old news. Yes, but that's actually really cool. A few days ago, and it's legit. Okay, I'm just seeing that now for some reason. It was announced on Saturday, the 16th. The 16th November the 16th is when it was announced. Uh, news. That's old news. No, like that's the first time I'm seeing that actually. But legit. Okay, very cool. Huh. Daniel, thank you for the feedback, and you can kindly suck it. Better load the bags, yes. That's why I believe in the pump exactly because that changes things a little bit, right? That's what I was about to say. Like that changes things a little bit there. Now you can't really say this is a pump and dump. 700 million for 20 years. 700 million for 20 years. Wow. Sponsor UFC. Nah, very aggressive marketing strategy. Wow. It seems like these guys are going in. They're going all in here. Uh, I will. My inside scoops. Okay, sounds good. Is known throughout the world. Yeah, that's pretty cool. My phone number and then reset my to a Shiba with the card last night. Louisiana couldn't stop the transactions. That's pretty scary. Yeah, that's pretty scary. No, that's cool. I had no idea this was yeah, that was a thing. But that's cool. Had no idea, guys. Had no idea. Let's see him. Let's see. But so according to these guys on CoinMarketCap, that's the latest piece of news they have. So let me see if there's anything else here. So CRO here. La, la. Mm. New York Time highs. Okay, yeah, no, all this stuff is all old news here. So no point taking a look at that. It's all old news. Let me take a look at. So that's that 72 cents term. I want to take a look and see if there are actually any new articles here because we know TradingView has a lot of articles when it comes to just crypto in general. Uh, Recent lows hovering around 59,000 there. What's this here? What's this? GBA and Morven. Federal Credit Union Unite. Okay, cool. What does that have to do with crypto? I'm sure it has something to do with it. I just don't want to read it. That's something for later. Sheep and Doge are the most searched cryptocurrencies in 30 U.S. states. Wow, Shiba and Doge are the most searched cryptocurrencies in 30 U.S. states. Right, a recent study highlighted the veracity of the rising popularity of the meme currencies in 2021, right? Indicating their dominance as the most searched in the United States. Interesting. Doge and Shiba. I would searched in Dogecoin. Okay, I'm not gonna go over that there. La 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 la. Besides celebrity endorsements, listing the retail event, Robinhood was okay, cool. Yeah, so they're just going over Dogecoin and yeah, just talking about the timeline, just going over the timelines there, which I don't really want to take a look at. Have a with the Sixers TS. Wow, two space of around 2 months. Okay. Yeah, Sierra. Quite a few people. Quite a few. Sierra Metahero. Yeah. Uh, Blocking my account when the 600 BTC. Needless to say, I'm done with Coinbase. Yeah, my like I that's madness, Rosianna. Yeah, there's some links. There's some links in the description there for some other exchanges there. Uh, like I just don't know what to tell you. Like if stuff like that is happening on Coinbase, like wait, It's like you want to go over to Binance, maybe Binance is having issues. You want to go over to uh, like $600 or like 600 Bitcoin. 29 so much advertising. Yeah, unprofessional. Yeah, they're doing a lot of ads. Yeah, crypto.com here. Yeah, it seems like. Wait. El Salvador to build a Bitcoin city in 2022. What's with like the metaverse is changing everyone's minds on like now we're getting a Bitcoin city. What does this really mean? El Salvador will build a Bitcoin city in 2022. A dollar bonds will be used to fund the city. President Nahib wants investors from overseas. Wow. Okay. El Salvador will fund the development with dollar bonds. Future. One notable feature about his appearance was a high grade, entertaining entrance. Okay, don't nah. Tender. Okay, cool. Yeah, not a whole lot of detail there. What's this here? Again, these are just news. These are just like crypto news articles that are coming out today. So we can just browse over these things and then move on, right? So, Bitcoin NBA team, Houston Rockets, new sponsorship deal pays them in Bitcoin. Wow. NBA team, Houston Rockets, new sponsorship deal pays them in Bitcoin. American professional, right? Houston announced that thanks to it has signed a sponsorship deal with a New York digital investment group, a leading Bitcoin company, according to the press release, which was issued by blah blah blah. Okay, skip. Expanding the. The Rockets will be paid. The Rockets will be paid in Bitcoin, and this partnership underscores our excitement about the Houston area and Bitcoin innovation taking place there. Really interesting, actually. Wow, there's just so much going on. Like there's so much going on. Wow. Hi Debbie, hello. Um, yeah, $600. Okay. Dave, hello. Hello, guys. Good evening. Happy Sunday. We're just going over some articles here. Right. So, Venezuela president gets scholarship to learn NFT, crypto mining. Oh, why does he need a scholarship for that? Venezuela president gets scholarship to learn NFT crypto mining. Cool. That's cool though. Again, with like these smaller countries, it's a this might be a way for them to benefit from all this, right? So this one here again. So I don't know why this is coming out today though, right? It seems like this article is coming out today from like so many different platforms, right? Because it says on Sunday, November the 21st, the price of native token surged 27%, reaching an all-time high at 74. It's higher than that, according to the crypto exchange, right, which was founded in 2016. CRO is the native token for crypto.com. Was created, built on a network. Okay, we've like I've seen this already. So can use businesses can use CRO, pay checkout and invoice to enable customers. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's cool. What else came out today? The 21st. Avax they're pulling a soul. Avax is pulling a soul. Yep. What's this? Jack Dorsey Square releases a white paper detailing decentralized Bitcoin exchange, TBDEX. Okay, cool. Has also the financial services. With detailed intelligence. Okay, think we're almost at the end of this list here. Mm, land art. Land art is exploding in the NFT world. Amidst rising global wealth, a resurging interest in blockchain, and a shift in cultural prominence towards NFTs. Uh, or whatever, NFTs have become a powerful medium for art, right? Next, Earth, an NFT based replica of Earth has been tremendous, has seen a tremendous growth over the past year. They recently released an update with major new features, including land art, right, which allows users to create art on Earth using colored tiles. Huh. Really interesting. Like, let's look at the at five cool new they created next. Okay, Sonic line art in Ibiza, cool. Halloween cat line art, real estate, CryptoPunk. Okay, seems like they designed a whole bunch of things. We'd have to go over and like take a look at the pictures because that's what it's all about, not just reading about them. So, what else? Yeah, some of these things are really interesting here. So I think we should be almost done here with these. Seeing a lot of talk about NFTs here. Uh, Here's why. Cool, cool, cool. Avalanche Avax surpasses Shiba Inu, hitting yet another all-time high. Immigration, okay, cool. Okay, I think we're good here. That's the last of those articles, guys. Quite a bit. Right. So Metahero here. Metahero is another one that's it again. So Metahero seems like the entry for Metahero is around 9 cents here. It's bounced off this level on more than one occasion, right? It's done this over and over and over, like 9 cents and then right back up. 9 cents, right? So this was a test of 9 cents here and then ran all the way to 17. Yeah, and 9 cents again. Metahero and pushing for again sitting at 11 cents there, right? So it's yeah. Spider Verse, not the Metaverse, David. Yes, Gala. What's David on? Uh, nah. Check. Oh, nah. Oh, the banks are gonna be so yesterday, Beth. The banks is. Yeah, I bet you. Pretty soon the banks are gonna be. I mean, there you can see some of those banks moving already. Uh, but yeah, you should make a band and name it at. What? Do you see all this, David? Davids? Beth? I just saw the David rubbish. What's David talking about? I have no idea. No idea. Stop going down already. I want a dollar by Black Friday. Dollar by Black Friday, IJR. Gotta jump before you crash. Back to earth while counting your money, Dave. Dave. Oh wow, look at all this. David, and then we have Dave. Oh wow, okay, that's what you guys are talking about. Ah, David, David. Are you guys like related? T- Names. Okay, yeah, I see. I see now. You got lined up. Let's go. Yeah, had to Jose, had to get that lineup going. It's been a while. Welcome to the room. I know, Stuart. I know. I don't always look. Yeah, subconsciously. Yep. Dave's not here. Alrighty. Let me keep looking at some more names. Yes, again, Meta Hero, 9 cents to be seems to be that level, right? So I'm glad Meta Hero is finally on TradingView, because it's been annoying. Right. So see all Crow here. Crow's had a very nice run. Like it's done really, really well. Right. So let's see if we can hold above 70 cents here, and then you're looking for, I think a lot of you guys are looking for a dollar into the end of the year, right? So we've seen how aggressive these guys are in terms of marketing here. Let's see if we can find a double bottom here. All right. So around like 71 or 70 cents here, and then go from there. Right. So that previous bottom, that 71, had a nice run up all the way towards the 70, almost 77, right? Actually, yeah, 77, right? So again, bottom, and we're getting another bottom here potentially at 71. So let's see if that happens, and then it can recover, right? So, and go from there. I know someone was asking about Gala and then Elon. Let's see. Yeah, let me pull up the daily charts here for these names here, and then we can just keep running through them. Gala looks fine, right? Gala looks fine here. Again, we talked about this yesterday, right? We talked about again if you're looking for potential entry, you're looking for this thing to either close above and hold above 45 cents, or you're looking for a retracement to 30 cents, right? So that's what I'd be looking for. Like, can we test 30 cents and hold that level, right? You wanna when you look if you again when you're looking to buy stuff that's run already. You want to be a little bit patient and wait for them to retrace and find a key support level before you look for an entry, right? So, and then let's take a look at Elon here. Elon is another one. If I can find the right chart here, that's the thing. Yeah, there we go. So we talked about Elon here in the sense that, yeah, like Elon is in somewhat of a range for now, right? It's had that nice run up. Resistance, as you can see, we struggled closing above 22, right? So if we can again play this game up and down, and hold this level and get back above that level, then yeah, it's gonna pump, right? So let's see if we can do that. Can I get some nice, some nice hip hop beats? What's with all this rubbish? Dave to the moon. I have Inu, but need more. There you go. Doge in market cap now number 10. Yeah, yeah. Let me take a we can take a look at the list, the coin market cap list, and see and see what's really yeah. What's up, Maddie? Hello. Going on with oh no, I have no idea what's going on with Mun, with what Hokkaido Inu? No idea. Everything will be mooning soon. It seems like that's what's been happening here. Let's go, Dave. Do you think Doge will go down to 21 cents, Kelly? I can take a look at Doge, but it's done a really good job of holding about 22. So 22. So I don't know why why you're looking at 21 cents. Hey, my name's slowly changing to Dave. Yep. That's funny. Hi Terry, how are you? It's been a while. I hope you're doing well. I'm good, Terry. Good to see you. I promise a new coin, Jacob, in you. For unbelievable. Um, Coinbase is a $200 stock. Loved by institutions, could continue to fly. Yeah, exactly, right. Stewart, exactly. Like, I wouldn't be surprised at all if Avax just kept going. Crow is going off the charts. Yeah, no, Crow is done really well. Camping. Adrian, entry now. I just joined. Did you guys already check out Shiba? Um, yeah, he's got a nice oh hey, Marco. Oh hey. Um, we can take a look. We can take a look, guys. We can take a look. I know someone is asking for the Shiba chart there. So again, Elon looks fine here, right? It looks completely fine. It seems like we're going sideways, and that's fine. But these charts will do that from time to time, right? So again, let me take a look at Shiba. I know someone was just asking for the charts. And we talked about Shiba in the sense that, yeah, I'm like, again, like this thing, if you're looking for position, you should be scaling in slowly, right? Like dollar cost averaging and scaling in. I can see here, right? When you zoom out a little bit and you take a look at the bigger time frames, you can see like how aggressive these candles are. But then you take a look at that sideways action, right? Well, maybe I'm not say that since Marco is here. But again, take a look at that this area here. That's really where you could see, right? Around like 30. Again, don't want to see that. Right, don't want to talk about that. Don't want to talk about these levels, but around like 30 cent, around the 30 level here, that's really where the last base is, right? So let me clean up this again here. So like right there. So again, hopefully we can find a way to break again, turn around here soon. In order for Shiba to go, like we talked about over and over and over, Shiba needs to break above this level. We need to break above that 90 EMA there, whenever whatever number that is, right? If we can break above that level and actually close above that level, and then okay, then this downtrend is over and Shiba is good to go, right? So yeah, so I would just be looking to scale in, scale. Maybe, maybe, maybe. DJ Khaled, another one. Wait, what's going on, guys? David's Dave? What's going on with the names? Like, what's with the Davids and the Daves? We have like three people with the same name. David, Dave. It's not like just David. It's like Dave, David, David, Dave. Like, what's going on here? And they're all, yeah. Elon save us. Let's go, Michael. And then I'll take a look at Chrome. Can you talk about Com Rockets RC? Mm, for your, let's see. I'm just quickly reading the comments here, guys, before we then I can take a look at Crow again here. Alrighty, let me take a look at Coin Market Cap here. Actually, let's go back over to this side here. So Crow, I just want to take a look at this list here and see what's happening, what's changing, blah 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 blah. Right. So Bitcoin again, obviously number one. Ethereum, BNB, So, ADA, XRP, Dots, Avax, guys. Avax, wow, done really well, right? Done really well there. Above Dogecoin. Doge is sitting at that 22-cent support there, right? Shiba number 12 there. Crypto.com here, guys, number 13, right? With again, you can 18 billion here, in terms of market cap, right? So it's approaching those Shiba numbers. It's coming for Shiba there. So yeah, number 13, 18 billion market cap there. So getting some really good volume in the last 24 hours here. Some really good volume. Mm, yep. I look at, yeah. LTC, Litecoin, Terra. Cool. Interesting. I'm about to make a on Bitcoin this week. You are, Marco? Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, so did you get that, Stuart? You should be good to go right now. You should be good to go, right? So I think I answered your question. How many days does it take to goof up? I don't know. Cut your beard yourself this time around? No, I went to a proper place. No, Marco, I had to go back to to the barber. Couldn't go to couldn't do that anymore. And what's funny? Like, what's really funny? It's like I paid like over $50 for like a rubbish haircut, absolute rubbish. Then I go back to my regular place. They're like, yeah, everything. Okay, give us $25. It's like this is more than like less. Like it's yeah. To what, Jacob? How just one, Beth? Just one this time, not the three or four that I had to deal with last time. Just one. That's what happens when you go to the right place. Um, yeah, no, that's funny. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing else here. Nothing else here that I want to take a look on Coin Market Cap here. So let's go back here to TradingView. So we can run over some of these names here. We've looked at Hero here already. We've looked at Shiba. What else? Let me take a look at Mana, because again, Mana is one of those names when it comes to the metaverse. Right, we talked about this quite a bit. That again, people are paying attention to. Right, if it's funny, we talked about this yesterday. Right, we talked about that 350 level yesterday. Not sure where that line is now. Like, not sure why these lines just disappear. But we talked about 350 yesterday in terms of like for an entry on Mana. Why? Because it's exactly where the 50 the 90 EM is sitting at, right? So you take a look at this run up here, right? Again, this last run up here, man has done a really good job of holding above this level, the 90 EMA. So when you're looking for an entry, try not to FOMO. You want to buy in at support. So that level again today was 350, right? So again, we came back all the way down to 352 here and then bouncing to 364, right? So that would have been a really nice entry there at 350 if you could get if you got it. So, and you're looking now to reclaim $4, right? $4 resistance, break above four, and then you're looking for all-time highs on Mana, right? So, man, hello. As long as still you can't mm, give my to your accountant, Dave. Uh, just use an IRA or something. Right. So if you don't want to pay taxes on your gains, just use an IRA. Again, don't want to. There's a link in the description there. That's what the ad is for, David. So it took nine. Took nine. Mm-mm. There we go. So that's mana there. What else am I looking at here? So San. San is again another name that people are looking at when it comes to the metaverse, right? So San, no different here, right? It hit its resistance here at 450, right? And it's backing up just like every other metaverse play, right? So again, resistance, try not to FOMO in at that level, right? And you're looking for again, if you can get 350 here for this name, that would be nice too, right? 450 was our resistance we talked about yesterday, right? Resistance at 350, 450, sorry. And you're looking for potential entry here. If we can retrace and hold this level here at 350 for sand, and if you do like it for the metaverse play there, if you believe in the metaverse, and then that might be something to take a look at, right? So what else am I supposed to be looking at here? So we looked at sand, la 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 la. We basically looked at all those names there that I wanted to cover. Not it's the Spider Verse, not the metaverse. Why is it called it? What's the Spider Verse? Did you see that rock poll on what? On what's the name of that thing again? Something got rock polled. Something got rock pulled, and I can't remember what it is. Um, it's what is it called? Suzuki. Suzuki was one of them, but I thought there was something else. I know Suzuki got rock pulled on. Yeah. Virus. I have no idea. Yeah, Taki or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, T something, right? Yeah, it's Suzuki. So, yeah, I don't know. Let's go, Tiger Kill. To smash, yeah, Tiger Kill says yes. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit the like gently, kindly. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to share the link as well, that would be amazing. Something weird happening on that. What's happening, Robert? Yes, we did MLG covered Chrome. What would you like to know? Hyokina, some get. Let's go, Tiger Kill. Right, thank you. Yeah, no, a lot of these names have been really sketchy lately, right? So you have to be very careful, especially the names that are only available on like these small exchanges. You want to be really, really careful, right? So, and it's trashing your. I know, I know. So you want to be really careful, like really be really, really careful there with some of these names you play with. There you go. Oh yeah, let's get to 100 likes, and then we can go from there. Thank you, Tiger Kill. Yeah, smash the like. Let's get to 100, and let's keep going. If you have any questions, please ask. Right. So if you have any questions, please and thank you. Please ask. What are you looking for, MLG? The Fibs? What do you mean? I just put on the Fibs on Crow. Let me set up some charts here, guys. So I want to set up some charts here so we can watch a few names here as the night goes along here. So we can watch Crow, of course. So I think that's the chart I'm looking at, right? So we're looking for this thing to potentially hold above like 70 cents here, right? So if we can find a base here and hold that level, that would be a really good sign, right? You can see that it's trying already. Like 70 cents is a psychological support level. So looking, waiting for confirmation still. But let's see if we can hold above that level. Hmm. There you go. So 70 cents. If that level doesn't hold, then we can look for something else to watch. Like we can look for another level to pay attention to. But let's see what happens there. So I want to put up three charts here or something like that. So Shiba, smaller time frame here on Shiba, as Shiba is you know retracing a little bit there. What else? How's Avax looking like here? Avax. No, Avax has done really well. I know we talked about this quite a bit last night. Stuart, I know you like it because you're in at a very good price. You're in at like $35 on this name. It's like Avax is looking really good, right? Obviously, like we're sitting at basic almost all time highs here on this name. It ran to 147 and then retraced a little bit. So you're looking for it to find support above like 130 here and then go for that 147 level again. But it looks really good, right? So Avax does look really good there. So yeah. Maybe look at Gala. Yeah, Gala looks fine. We've looked at Gala, and again, Gala. If I don't know if you're in a position, if you're in a position and you need some help, please just clarify what you're asking for in terms of like, yeah, I'm in Gala, I'm looking for this and this and this, or I'm looking to buy Gala, or just let us know, right? So because we've looked at a lot of these, we've looked at most of these names here over and over and over. So I hope crypto is real, but it seems to be like a distraction. This is what about to happen in the world. Adams. Oh no. Oh, what do you mean? I don't think I understand your like what you're trying to say. That's my Avax. It's 500 incoming. And at the end of the bull run, Stewart. Yeah. No, Avax does it looks really good. So yeah. Um what about Shiba? Overall opinion on Shiba Tiger Kill? My again, I think in terms of like where Shiba could potentially retrace to before we bounce, it's difficult to say, right? We can't really pinpoint a bottom on any of these names, right? So but I feel that if this thing can break above that level, break above that 90 EMA, break above the downtrend that we have set up for Shiba for now, then yeah, it's gonna go for a run. It's gonna go for the next phase of the run, right? So if you do believe in it, then scale in slowly on the way down, right? So and go from there. We have a super chat, some Andy. Let's go, Andy. Andy says, "Thank you, Andy. I don't play crypto, but after a long day, I'm tuning in for the always chill vibes. Thanks. Let's go, Andy. Thank you for the support. Thank you. I know. Again, like I like that's what's amazing, right? The fact that we have so many people that are like just crypto, like just focusing on crypto, uh, but they like to come in and support for the stocks and vice versa, right? So yeah, we have a pretty cool community. Super chats, yeah. I I'm not able to buy some cryptos. You could, yeah, like try using. I know Coinbase is yeah. I want to. I don't want to say VPN. Right. I don't want to say VPN because what happens if if you get in trouble with that VPN, and does that again, does everything just get taken away from you? Have you tried? Yeah, Voyager is another platform that people use a lot in New York, right? So maybe try those platforms. Try Coinbase. Try Voyager, and then go from there. Okay, that's tell me what's my favorite song. On that they wrote David to know. Is it Two Phones by Kevin Gates? Jason, good. How are you? Um, they charge too much. Okay. Yeah. Like, does anyone here other than for crypto? Does anyone other than Marcel? Does anyone here live in New York? Let me know if you live in New York and what you're using. Get a rope. Let us know if you live in New York, guys. Let's see. If you live in New York, just type in yes. So yeah, again, Avax looks good there, right? Scroll, trying to find a base about that 40 that 70 cent level there, and then yeah, Coinbase and yeah, I'm not quite sure if they're actually asking for Leona. I'm not sure if they're asking for like Crow or if they're asking for like crypto in general. So great. Let's go, Jason. Yeah, Coinbase and yeah, and obviously their own platform, right, Leona? So where's Dave number three? Dave number three is yeah, I don't know where they are. Let me see here. So MLG is asking as Avax is going again. Look at Avax. Come on, Avax. Come on. Go, go, go. Shiba's getting a nice little green candle there as well. And so is Crow, right? Crow back above again. Crow is trying to find a base here above 70 cents, which is a really good sign, right? Let's see if we can do it. Above 70 cents, it looks fine, right? So find a again, it's gone for a nice run up. Find a new base higher, and then go for all those all-time highs again. Go for a dollar, right? So let me see here. Is 177 a good tonight for ADA, or wait for Monday and see what the market reacts? I think honestly, uh, Crystal, I didn't want to answer the question like Crystal answered. But for me, like anything below $2, again, you don't want to be rushing into any of these positions. You want to slowly dollar cost average and scale in, right? So yeah, like 177 is not bad at all, right? So, but again, don't just jump all in. Just scale in, just in case it goes for another drop. Then you can look to your position to your position at $1.50, right? So yeah, $1.50 would be really nice. But anything below $2 for me is time to scale in. Final fix is yeah. Okay, sounds good, Andrew. Sounds good. Get you pass by many crypto exchanges are necessary if you ever. Okay, there you go. There you go, Scotty. Thank you. So maybe that's a reason for you not to use VPNs. Oh, family member in a different state. There you go, Stuart. Right. So. Mhm. I would like Crow on the 60 again. Whereas you want to buy some Crow on the 60 cents. Yeah, let's see if you get that to buy all cryptos. For example, Search Inu. Oh yeah, no, that's not good. That's not gonna work. I mean, like, you can't even buy. Coinbase doesn't allow you to buy not just in New York, but anywhere else. You can't even find Search Inu. So not sure what Search Inu is. 137, Stuart. What's the best shot on TradingView for Coinbase Pro on most of the US coins? Uh, US Soldiers channel. When you say like US Soldiers channel, like what do you mean? Like is it like what is your channel about? I'd like to know. Just interested. I have Coinbase Pro on best TradingView chart. On the US USD coins. Like I like to honestly like what I like to do is like search the name, uh, because you can never really tell most of the time. Like just search the name and play it. Just click on like play with a few of them. What you're looking for is like just a chart that has a lot of information, right? So I know Coinbase can be really extended, right? So I try to use like charts like Binance and like KuCoin and stuff like that. But just again play with the charts and see like which one has a lot of information on it, right? So because some charts only go back like 2 weeks, but you're looking to go back, so like since inception, right? So sheep goes up, peroxide. Yeah, it's because Shiba likes us. How to spend all my profits? Uh, a game to what? What do you want to watch? What EPL game do you want to go to, Stuart? That's your first step. Send them to me. Deal. I invested for you. There you go. Send me a money I invested for you. My with all the lights, I feel like my eyes are. I don't know. I don't like wearing glasses, but like like you could tell like the eyes like after a while your eyes just struggle and it's really annoying. Yeah, yeah. Let's go, Scotty. Yeah, just send again, Stuart. Just send your money to William. He's gonna double it for you. If you're not sure to spend your crypto gains. The military and wanted to help people that had a hard time changing ways to use it to come up and okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. U.S. soldier. Okay, that's very cool. Yeah, I was just interested because I know you've been a supporter of the channel for a long time. I just wanted to, yeah, you can what? Let's go Tiger Kill. It's okay. Uh, na, 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 na. Let's see here. Yeah, no, yeah, exactly right, Stuart. Exactly. Like it's a really that's a really cool that's really cool. So I just wanted to I was just nosy. Just nosy. Nosy nosy. Yeah, we had last night we had a lot of articles actually. We had a lot of looking for charts that closely resemble the Coinbase Pro chart. Sometimes they're off a bit. Yeah, I know. It's just like Coinbase is just on its own. Like it just sometimes the charts are just overly extended, right? Like just overly extended, and that's really annoying. I really I rarely use those like Coinbase charts because either I don't have enough information on them, or they're just like they're higher than everything else, right? So Jacob says I hate it. Um, yeah. That not lacking the passion. Nope. Um, let me see them if there are any news articles here, guys, that I want to take a look at. So we've gone over like whatever TradingView has in store for us here in terms of like crypto. Right, we've covered like some Bitcoin news. We've covered some right some again Shiba Doge, the most searched cryptocurrencies in 30 US states there. Right, again crypto.com old news getting crypto.com Staples Center. Wow, really interesting actually. Let me take a look. What else can I find here? Na, na. Uh, mm, mm, no, no. I'm just quickly taking a look at Benzinga here. Mm, mm. There you go. It looks like crypto market is going to crash. Ganesh, where is that coming from? Why do you think the crypto market is going to crash? Marcel with a question says, "Do you think Robinhood will list a Shiba Inu soon?" I mean, we've been speculating that it's coming next year and stuff like that, right? But we have no idea. Like, we have no idea. We think it's just a matter of time, but we don't know, right? So, I don't know, Rachel. Yeah. But we have no idea what the criteria of acceptance is, right? So we just have to wait and see. We can speculate all we want and say, "Oh my goodness, I just saw a $500 million buy for Shiba," right? And that's most likely Robinhood, but that's all just speculation. Because I've seen a whole bunch of stuff on Twitter today, right? People see all these big buys on Twitter for Shiba, and they're like, "Okay, that has to be Robinhood." No, so there you go. Slightly more positive. Exactly right, Stuart. It's the news. These news articles are they're more positive than yesterday, so that's a good thing. On the 5 minute, is that a potential W? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Nah, that's not from everyone here. Absolutely, US within the next 2 years. Sierra, no idea, no idea. You can't really so I think this is completely new to a whole bunch again. So this whole not necessarily new. But you can't really put a cap on anything. Yeah, you can't really put a cap on any of these names, right? Can't say, okay, like in 2 years, I expect Metahero to be at this price. No, right? So honestly, you just have to do your research on something you like and believe in, and just dollar cost average and scale in. And if you want to hold it as a 2 year investment, right? Same thing for Shiba and in all of these other names, right? 2 year investment, 1 year investment, 6 months investment, and then see where it is in 6 months, right? Instead of like trying to say, okay, I expect this thing to be at $1. I expect this thing to be at $100, right? Because you just don't know. Just don't know. Zero. Uh, from okay, Phoenix trading crow. Okay. For sheep as well. The army is there. Chuck. Okay. Yeah, six six Doge virus, six Doge coins. Yeah, I know. Doge has been again. I think we've talked about Doge potentially running as we go into 2022 when they give us a date, right? Whenever SpaceX decides to give us a date when Doge is going to the moon, going to Mars, going to wherever, maybe that's going to be the next catalyst, right? So that's that. Yeah. So we can most likely run into that dates. One Doge, have one, 100K and set it. Okay, nice. They don't use payments for them. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Again, so for me, like honestly, what I'm looking for here on Crow here is just for this thing to find a base above 70 cents, right? So we when we take a look at this again, we can take a look at the daily or any other time frame. You can clearly see here that it's trying to find a base above 70 cents, and that's a good thing, right? If we can hold this level for 24 hours, an hour, right, just on a longer time frame here, that would be a really good sign, right? A really good signal that again, it's had a nice run up, it's had a retracement from 82, but it's finding a base above 70, right? So that would be a really good sign. So just give it some time here and see if we can settle and then go from there. And then go from there. Shiba again, guys, is yeah, it's one of those just one of those patient plays, right? So and Avax is back to 136 here, but it's done really well. So a couple of times, yeah. It's a bit nah. Do you think the value increase when it grow up? I mean, that's the intention, though, right? Right, Marcel. That's the intention. Send dog. Okay. Metaforms sheep. Hmm. Metaform sheep. Math. Math. Refer Meta Hero again. If you guys have questions, just ask. Right. So if you have a question about Meta Hero, just ask. Right. So again, for me, Meta Hero, the entry's been like 9 cents. If you can get Meta Hero for 9 cents, it's bounced off that level multiple times. Like right over the last month, it's bounced off like 30, like 9 cents over and over and over. So that seems to be a really good base for Meta Hero there, at least for now. So sorry, I'm a leader and first time here at Chuck. That's okay. So the three names that we all look at. So that's Avax name, right? Avax has done really well. We started looking at this thing at what $60, so it's done really well. Shiba again in the middle here needs to break up with the 90 EMA before you can go for that run. So it's on the downtrend, right? So we're just waiting for this thing to break that downtrend. Then yeah, it's gonna go. I think again. So as time goes on, obviously that level, that moving average again, that's why it's called a moving average. Right. As time goes on, that level is lower and lower and lower because we've gone from that level being at 56 to 52 to 51. Right, that level is now below 50. Right, so if we can break above that level, then yeah, Shiba is ready to go for a run. And then we have a Crow here, right? CRO. This thing's done really well. Like it's done really well in the last 70 whatever hours here, 72 hours, right? It's done really really well in the last 2 weeks, right? So a retracements is not surprising, right? So, but again, so all you're looking for here is where can this thing sell off to because people will take profits and find a base at and then go again, right? So, Elon, tell me. Yeah, no, Elon needs to clear that 22 level, right? Elon clears 22. It's in a sideways pattern for now. If you can clear that level at 22, Elon is gonna go for a nice run. Rachel, what did Rachel say? Holding Doge here too, and every day I look at it, it I know, it irks your nerves. I know, I know. It's yeah. That's just the thing. That's just the thing. We can talk about for a lot of these names, a lot of these smaller names, like stuff like Crow and Solana and like all those like Ada, those are different because for now, like those are moving for the most part. For the most part, there's At least they're trying to move on merits of their projects, right? So, but when we take a look at Dogecoin and Shiba and all these other smaller names, yeah, sure, we can talk about the ecosystems and cool stuff like that. But that's not why it's moving. It's moving because of momentum. It's moving because of hype, because of FOMO, right? It can do that until the ecosystem catches up and it moves because of that, right? So, but we can't be mistaken in saying, "Oh my goodness, I'm buying," yeah. Um, some Bob Marley and a chronic, some Bob Marley, yeah, some Bob Marley. La 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 la. What else? What else? What else? Hit Coinbase. I have no idea. Sheep to 2 cents. I have no idea when VGX is gonna get to that level. Um, you're better than that, Rachel. Unbelievable. Chronic. Okay. Again, guys, don't forget to smash a like. Let's get to, as always, let's get to 200 likes. So smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to share the link as well and get some more people in here, that would be amazing. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord for some more crypto talk and anything else, there's a link. The link is right there in the description that Virus just posted. So let's see. Shaba. A question for you guys in the chat. New here. What's a great crypto to get, Orlando? So question for you. Uh, a question for you, Orlando. Like, is there anything like when it comes like, do you like gaming? Do you like the metaverse? Like, is there anything that you're specifically looking for? Instead of just looking for, it's always nice when you can look for a name that is working on something on in a something that you like, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. La, la. You're interested in all. So if there's anything, I think again. So the Avalanche is rocking. Dan, yeah, no, Avax looks really good, right? You're basically looking for all-time highs. Avax to like 147 there, right? It's done really well. Like I have nothing negative to say here. So nothing negative to say at all. But again, so question for you guys in the chat, right? If there was one thing that you would want to buy, like right now, right? Just one thing that when it comes to crypto, just one thing that you would love to buy, what would it be? Give us a name. Buy when once on sale, exactly right, Virus. Yeah. If there was one thing you would be buying, right? What would you be buying? Would you be buying Avax? Would it be Crow? Would it be Shiba? What would you be buying? Let us know. Meta? You mean like just Meta Hero? Yeah, we talking about JTMX. We talked about Meta Hero quite a bit. So the Dark Lord. La la la. William, you have goal already. You have goal already. You took some profits. Saitama, okay. Avax, the Tesla, yeah. Avax, Render, okay. Is Render on TradingView? I can take a look. Gala and Chrome. Okay, wow. Render. So this seems to be coming up quite a bit here. Interesting. Render. I want to take a look at that now for sure, because that seems really interesting. The fact that this is coming up from a few people that I know do a lot of research when it comes to crypto is interesting. So let me take a look at this name here. So I'm just gonna search up the entire name here. This one here. Then I'll pull up the daily chart here for this. So if there's one thing that you'd be buying this. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Like it's done really well. In the span of a month, it's gone from $1 to $9, right? That's yeah. What is this? This is November the 2nd, and we are November. Yeah. So November the 21st here is done really well. Like really, really well. Yeah, I need to. I'll take a look at this, but it's looking really good. So obviously, when you look for these names, right? When you look for stuff that you like, you're looking to buy the dips. You're looking for these names that are, again, the projects you do like. You're looking to scale in on these projects when they're dipping, right? So dollar cost average, slowly buy it, right? So we have a new member, Lance Bowling. Thank you very much for the support, and I think you upgraded to Discord. So Lance, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Come join us in Discord for some more crypto plays. Right, come join us in Discord. So again, in order to join us in Discord, all you have to do is again search Hot Trades on YouTube. Right, click on the logo, click on the name. Go over to the community tab there. Go over to the community tab there. There's a link there to join us in Discord. So click on that link. It's gonna take you over to Discord. Go to the Rose channel first. Scroll down. Click on the cookie, and then go to the Getting Started channel there, and then you should be good to go. Go to the Rose the Getting Started channel. Follow those images there, and then you should be good to go. But so pumps, why, Sahil? People like put the like, Sahil. Correction? You remember? Yeah. Wild? Yeah. It's crucial to rendering the metaverse on. Okay, it is. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. No. This is the first time I'm hearing about this one here. So I'm gonna take a picture here. I'm just gonna copy an image here and post it in Discord. So I don't forget to take a look. So I don't forget to take a look. Once I get off the stream here. La la, Crypto General. Hmm. And then that there. Let's see. It's crucial. Rendering the metaverse. Uh, yeah, back up. I'm greedy and protective of your reindeer. Your reindeer. Let me take a look here. So I'm gonna copy your comment as well because I don't want to forget once I uh, let's see here. Love you too, Sahil. Thoughts on Hero? I'll take a look at Hero. Right. So I'll take a look at Hero. Are you in Hero already? If you ask again, if you're asking for some of these names, guys, we've covered most of them, if not all of them already. So if you're asking for some of these names and you need some help, just again, just like give us some more information, right? Like I'm looking for this because I'm looking for an entry, I'm looking for an exit, right? Just give us some detail, right? I'm Ollie, and then I can take a look. Another meme type, I think. Emmanuel, what is? Thank you, Scotty. Thank you very much. Yeah. So Lance, yeah, Scotty posted a message there for you on what you need to do, right? So again, thank you for the support, Lance. Welcome. Yeah, if you want to join us if you want to come join us in Discord, guys, for some more crypto plays, and yeah, so the membership link is it's right here, right? So it should be showing up right there, and yeah, uh, talking about a coin, you know about it's JT coin. It's brand new with a sheepdog meta logo as glasses. Okay, it's brand new. So I might have to take a look at Coin Market Cap here. So let me take a look. Meta is what it's called. Like Metadium. Like what's the full name? What's the full name there? Like what is it called? Anyway, Meta has made you 4K. Good job, JT. Good job. Nah, nah. Because nah, I'm looking at Meta here. I can't see it. Can't see it. I'm looking for that logo. Can't seem to find it. So you might have to send me a link or something to the email at the top of the screen, then I can take a look. Everything is maybe is that it? No, that's not it. It can't just be called Meta. Like it has something else though, right? Doesn't it, JT? Sheep starting momentum. Mm, let's go back here to those smaller time frames. We just wanted to take a look at reindeer here, render. Calling it reindeer now. So RNDR here. Um, because again, asking you guys a question saying, okay, like what would you buy if you could buy one thing here, right? If you could buy one crypto right here, right now, what would you buy? And some of you guys, most of you guys, some of you guys are saying, right, this name here. So that's really interesting. So I'll take a look at that. I'll take a look. Alrighty, let's move on here. Is Shiba going for a nice little run there? Yeah, it's trying, right? It's trying to go here. Come on, Shiba. So what was on there? Crow. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so yeah, watch for that 70 cent level there. But yeah, Shiba's trying. I mean, this is nothing yet, right? So, but every time we see green, it's a good sign. So 20K people watching it. Okay, it was trending. It's on CoinMark. It was trending. Okay, we're missing out. Also another low cap gem. Okay, what is it called again? Must watch Star Launch. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, Morally. Yeah. So as long as that thing holds above $9, it's fine for me, Morally. No, that's not what happened. That's not what happened. Um, um, Crow bought the Lakers. No, that's not what happened. Not exactly. It's just a sponsorship thing. Crow bought the Lakers. Mahmood, good morning to you as well. Good evening. I'm good. Ayama, how are you? I'm good. But the Lakers. Yeah, no, Staples Center. Yeah. Oh no, Mr. Future, don't worry. Mana, no, we know. We know about Mana. No one's sleeping on Mana. Na, na. Meta. Let me take a look. Was trending. So let me take a look at that list here. La la la. Let's see. Stealing from a bone daddy? Okay, please stop stealing from your from your grandma's purse to go buy crypto, please and thank you. How do you feel about meta coins? Like you just mean like the meta hero coins is what we're asking? Like just the not the meta hero coins, but the metaverse is that's what you're asking, Yama? I mean that seems to be the that's what it is, right? That's what it is, dog. I think that's what it is. That's just the one I wanted. That's I wanted the full name. Um, yeah. I can take a look at that if you want me to. Um, yeah. uh, but what was I looking for here? What question was I looking at here? Right, Beth? Like, stop stealing from your grandma's purse to go buy some crypto. No, again, the metaverse seems to be seems to be where like everything's transitioning to. Like, we're not just seeing. It's not like we're only seeing crypto. Right, we're not just seeing like these crypto plays run because of like the metaverse hype. We're also seeing like some pretty big companies like Nike looking there again. You know, Nike doing that as well. We've seen Facebook move over to again. That's their new phase. That's the new business. That's the new business model now. So the metaverse seems to be something that everybody's moving towards, right? That alternate reality there, right? That's what people seems to be gravitating towards, right? So again, no surprise that we've seen names like Mana and Sand and the Metahero. Some of these names again, they've had some very nice runs, right? Because that's what people are now interested in, the metaverse. So yeah. Okay, let me take a look here, Doug. Mm, super low cap. Yeah, that's what I looked at first. Yeah, medium there. So it's currently red here today. If I take a look at the chart here of, okay, so these guys have been around since when? The 23rd, the 14th. So not that long, right? So they had a nice run up all the way to 30, almost to what? To 40 cents there. To 40 cents, and they came back all the way down here to below 10 cents. Okay. Um, Yeah, it seems to be finding a base here though. It seems to be finding a really good base here for Meta. Yeah, Meta seems to be finding a base here. It's not again. Uh, JT made it seem like it was running, but it's just sitting flat. So if you're in, yeah. Hi, Saturina. Hello. Crypto Junkie. You think so? Would I be surprised? No. It's done really well. It's done really well. So Jacob and you. You like what Crow is doing? Of course you do, because you want to buy the dip. So Virus is waiting to buy the dip here, and he loves what Crow is doing here because yeah, he would like this thing to retrace back to 60 cents, so he could buy the dip, right? So yeah, let's see if we can do that. Currently fading at that 70 cent level there, some resistance there now. So yeah, la 100 of the wow, good job, JT, really good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. So, good job. Should be back to Jeff. You think so? Yeah, back to 65 cents. Yeah. Again, the fact that it's failing to hold the 70 cent level here is a signal that yeah, it's looking for lower base, right? So, uh, you have it set to 67 basically, Jeff. Okay. Is that just the fib level you're looking at, or what are you looking at? Store Atlas. No, yeah, we looked at this one yesterday. Victor. So one of those metaverse plays, right? One of the metaverse plays there. Thank you guys. We are headed. We're almost at 200 likes, guys. Almost at 200 likes. So again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and for some more crypto conversations, come join us in Discord. So again, let's get to 200 likes. Hope no, we're doing well. How to buy Crow to average down? I know, right? Beth, you finally bought some Crow. I know you were looking at it yesterday, and that thing just exploded on you, right? So you finally bought it, or what did you do? So Avax again there. Mana's below $4 there, so that's fine. Gala again. So we talked about most of these names, right? We talked about waiting for for Mana to 350 there. We came back all the way down to 350.52 there, and bounced off that level for Gala. Gala, do I remember? I'm just trying to think of the charts. So I don't have to pull it up here. But for Sandbox, we talked about Sandbox waiting for what 350 as well, from 450 to 350. Right. So you're looking to scale in dollar cost average on these names, right? So not just rush it because they're hot. You bought it in the 70s, Beth? Oh no. Yeah, no, wait for those retracements. Just make some gas money, Marlo. Okay, I'll take a look. Now, just about free. Good job, Noah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Let me take a look at Bitcoin here because Marlon's asking him again, what would be a good level to buy Bitcoin, right, for a little for a scalp there. So let me take a look at BTC. Bitcoin. I'd be looking for like it's interesting here because like we want this thing to hold about this $59,000 level, right? Just like we did previously here, we had multiple bottoms at that level, right? $59,000 there. It would be nice to hold about that level, get back about 60K, but it's not doing. It's not. It's sitting at almost at 57 here. In terms of like what you should be looking for, like 55 would be nice. If you can get $55,000 here for Bitcoin, that would be nice. That would be no, where's this level coming from? That was the previous resistance level there. Yeah. So yeah, $55,000 here would be nice, especially if you're looking to hold it longer term. It'd be nicer to again either wait for that drop to come, because for now, as you can see here, it's currently failing a resistance here at 59. Right, it's trying to reclaim that level on this new candle here. It's hitting that level and failing. So I'd be a little bit careful with it, just in case it wants to retrace back down to this level, just like it did a few days ago. Came back all very close, like very close to that $55,000 level, and then bounced right. Off 55, had a strong bounce. So again, sitting below this $59,000 level, I feel like you should be waiting for it either retracements or break above that level. Because if you clear that level at 59, right, it's gonna run again back to 60. But below that level, you want to be a little bit patient and cautious there. By next Saturday, Noir, well, IOTX. Let me take a look. Nah. I know we've looked at this one as well. So where should you be looking to average? You're in at 22 cents. Bonnie says I'm in at 22 cents. Where should I be looking to average down? Let me take a look. In at 22 cents. So I mean, you're basically sitting at that price that the price that you got in, like your original price. So I'd be waiting for like if you can get 20, maybe that's another level to watch. But below 20, and then all of a sudden you're looking for this level here at 1560 here, right? So 16 cents here basically is what you'd be looking for. There's a bottom here around like you can look for 20 cents and then 16 cents. So those are the levels that you're paying attention to. So 16, and then you're looking for a lot lower, right? So yeah. So again, just dollar cost average, scale in slowly, patiently. So Malo with the super chat, guys. Let's go. Thank you, Malo. Will do. Thank you. And up. Leona, crypto bands and can go to 357. Like, what was the reason, Leona? Like, what's the reason for going to that price? Like, yeah, a lot of predictions seem very high. Yeah, I mean, like what's the reasoning though? Are they just looking at stuff like? Are they looking at other names like like Solana and things like that? Yeah, again, when you just think about it without even looking at the chart, it's very possible. Like it's very very possible, but I'm not quite seeing where like how you would do like how you would do a chart that's never been above like levels like that and say it's going to off its tier channels. Okay, yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Story JR. Most okay. Thank you, Stuart. Lee, what to expect out of Shiba? Shiba needs to break up of the downtrend, then yeah, and then it can go for another run up. So there you go, Rachel. Nice. Some TA channels. That's actually a good question. That's actually a really good question there. So what's your just pick one. What's your in the chat and put it in the chat there. What's your favorite crypto? You don't have to tell me why. You can give me a reason, but you don't have to. But what's your favorite crypto? Like just put a name in the chat. Let's see him. I want to see if there's some names that show up over and over and over. Right? What's your favorite crypto? Let us know. Let me switch up these charts here. La, la, la. Actually, I want to take a look at mana here before I move on. So mana here, mana again, bounce at the 350 level, so that's a really good sign there, right? So not a whole lot to talk about there. We talked about sand here as well. The very first one there. Yeah, so sand. We talked about sand potential entry at 350 here as well, so it's retracing to that level. Um, Gala, same thing, right? Gala here, the very same thing. We talked about again, being patient, and waiting for. Let me take a look here. I want the right chart. Hmm. It's annoying because, like, with all these different charts, some of them just disappear over and over. So there we go, right? So for Gala here, you're waiting for that 30 cent level, or you're waiting for it to reclaim like break above a 45 cent, right? So two levels you're looking at for potential entries, like either break above 45 or retracement to 30 cents, right? Now what else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah. Um, for Metahero here, again, Metahero, right? 9 cents. 9 cents seems to be the level that allows bouncing off ads. So we're just keeping a very close eye on some of these names here. Metahero. Alrighty, let's move on there. Shiba is trying to go for a nice little run there. Um, what name did we have here? Chrome. Yeah. Don't want that. I want this one here. So there we go. Are you happy? Are you happy, Virus? You happy that Crow is slowly heading towards 60 to buy the dip? Let's go. Come on, Shiba. Give us a bounce. So let me read some of these comments here. La, la, la. Morphe, Sand, that's what, okay, Sand for you. Okay. Shiba for you, Dan. Okay. On like, right now, ADA. Okay. Ethereum and LTC, Rachel. Yeah, LTC seems to be, yeah. AMP, okay. Shiba, King. Okay. Ethereum. Shiba, Sand was the first investment. Okay. Shiba. Quite a few. Yeah. Okay. There you go. It's the biggest rock pool. Isn't it? Next week. Gone. Yep. William. Near 17 cents. Okay. Shiba. What is that, Scotty? OnlyFans. Okay. Quack. No. Dimitri. No. Okay. Okay. I see. No. Gains or gains. Gains or gains. Mm-mm-mm. No, I'm honestly not surprised. You off to bed? Okay, William. Okay, go to bed, please. 5:30 a.m. in the Netherlands. Go to bed, please. What are you doing awake? What are you doing awake? Go to bed. Go to bed. Yeah, no, we just want to again. So we just like to come on, right? At least recently, just come on for a few hours and see what's happening. There's not a whole lot happening here. Crow has been like one of the best movers in the last 24 hours, right? It's again when we left last night, this thing was sitting around what, like just below 60 cents, and then ran all the way to 82, right? So it's done really well. It's done really really well. So let's see if this thing can again retrace and find a new base and then keep going higher, right? Is that level 60 cents? Is it 67, right? We'll find out, right? So let's see if we can test the level and hold that level, and then you're looking for an entry. So Shiba again is still trending lower, lower and lower and lower, right? So until we can break out of that downtrend, it's gonna keep going lower there. And then Avax is just not sure what to tell you. It's done really well. So what is he doing? He's he's going to the moon. Yep, to the moon. Uh, so you're going to bed, Saturina? Okay, good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. Yeah, no, we have some time. We still have like 20 minutes before we can hop off and then come back tomorrow, right? So I thought this was a Shiba Live King. It's an everything life, right? It's an everything life. Um, right, the opportunities everywhere, not just Shiba, right? So again, Shiba really isn't doing anything, so you can't just be a specific Shiba Live, right? So as it's retracing, right? So if you have any questions about Shiba, you can ask, right? Please ask, right? We've talked about Shiba. We always talk about Shiba at the beginning of the stream, and we've looked at those levels, and you know what we need to do to go for that next run, right? So there's no new news that we need to cover. There's nothing new, right? So nothing new. A lot of favorites. Solana, Dots, VChain, Crow, Mana, Ada, Algo, KuCoin, Voyager. Okay, there you go, Liana. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with diversifying, right? Diversify, diversify, guys. How far we trace for Crow approximately? So you're looking. You can't really pinpoint a level, right? So like people always want to ask and say, okay, like what exactly should I be looking to buy a Crow at on a retracement? So what I would be looking for is any level on the daily time frame that we can sell off to and find a base at. So you see like let me see if I can show you an example here. So when we say like when we say okay, we're waiting for retracements, we are looking for stuff like this. So I'm going to pull up a chart here for you. So take a look at this chart. Take a look at the left hand side there, right? The bottom left, the left hand side there. You see those red, again, the middle left hand side there. You see those red candles. You see a sell off, right? If we can sell off and find a base where you have multiple candles like holding the same level, that means the sell off is complete. We found a base. Now you're looking to go back higher, right? So that's what I'd be looking for, right? Now about Shiba, previously Blaze used to say about it's constantly changing. That's loyalty. Yeah, no, exactly. No, again, like joy, right? If stuff isn't moving and the stuff that we talked about, we can't just keep sitting and watching, right? So we have to move on. We move on. That's just the crypto market. The crypto market moves quickly, so you have to adapt and move quickly. Can be unless it's an investment for you, and then that's cool. That's fine. You can be a diamond hand, but yeah. Mm-mm. Yeah, let me. I think I'm skip missing a lot of things here, so I need to scroll up here and see some of these comments. Let me get rid of this banner here. Mm-mm. Na 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 na. Na. Stuart, I have a lot of favorites. I have a lot of favorites, Stuart. You love them all, yeah. Like I have a lot of favorites. Like I just like when I buy stuff, I really don't, especially when it comes to crypto, like I really don't have the intention of selling anytime soon. So it's stuff like, okay, like I'm gonna put like $100 here, $1,000, like anything, right? With the intention of holding like forever, because I think it's something that's potentially that could be nice in the future, right? So I don't really do the scalping when it comes to crypto. Like I'm not for the chasing like the little like poo coins, right? For the little scalping and profit flipping. No, not really. And all these on, yeah, gold surfer, yeah. Let's see here. Oh no, yeah, I king. I can't play stuff like that. Otherwise, my Kid Cudi's I know, Clouds. I know you're not alone. What's up with Ada? I'm so frustrated and disappointed in this coin. It's taking forever. It's flying and hit $1. I know. I know, but Ada is eventually gonna give you those gains. I think you just have to be patient with it. Yeah, you just have to be patient. La, la. Yeah, no. Surfer, we wish we all had some more time and some more money to buy all these dips, all these crypto dips. As Crow is retracing here a little bit, going for that right, slowly retracing. Everything's retracing. Like Shiba is falling off as well here. It's been doing that already. Avax retracing as well. It's gone from like 137 to 133 here. So everything is retracing. Not sure if it's because of fallen Bitcoin or what's happening there. I'll have to pull up the Bitcoin chart. So there are a lot of people that actually use that. It depends which one you get at King. All the different colors they have there. So just see whatever like what fits what you would like. How do I think about it? People rave about it. Like people really, like actually really like it. Why? Because when you make some of these nice gains, you can actually use the card to spend your money, right? So with as rewards for spending, yeah, right. So from rewards to other aspects, right? You make some nice gains and you can't take that money out. You can just you can use the credit card. Mana AAA 350. You might have missed it, but 350 was a nice level. Only if some market hit the new for retrace a D Rock. Yeah, I don't see anything new here. I don't see anything new. Nothing new. Like I see all these candles for Shiba. I'm like, oh, Shiba's about to go. Nope, it's not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Glasses, Dimitri. Oh, you're back, Maddie. Welcome back. Yeah, let's get VChain Nation. We're going to zero. We are going to zero. VChain, like VChain is going to zero, or what are you saying? No, it's I know it. I know King. I know. Visa. There you go. No, no, no. Maybe even below zero. Okay. Well, I don't know, Stuart. I don't know. Nah. Dresses. Oh, wearing dresses. Oh, I thought he said. Oh, okay. For some reason, I read that as glasses. I get to wear pants. Unbelievable. Um, mm, to take money sometimes just part of the game. Oh yeah, exactly. Right. You have to again. You have to. What does Gary say again? Uh, you have to take snacks, right? You have to again. You have to take some profits off the table if you want to. The X-Win? No, no, no. Crab dip, French onion dip. Um, are you talking about VChain? VChain Nation? Like, what are you talking about? Mm, Macon, where's Mindy? I think Mindy's resting. I think she was duck hunting, so I think she's resting or most likely sleeping. Um, La, la, la. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let's keep going. Yeah, smash a like. Fresh jacuzzi dip. Nibble here and there. Bottom feed. Beth, yeah, bottom feeding. Bottom feed. Na, na, yeah, if she could make dinner for herself, Dimitri, then maybe you would what's the symbol for that? Gus, what's the symbol? Let me give me the symbol and then maybe I can see if it's available here. Wishful thinking. Yeah, Stuart, if she could make some dinner for herself first, and then pump and yeah, Nintendo. What are my thoughts on Gucci Inu? To the moon? Well, it seems like you have your opinion already, right? Seems like you wanted to go to the moon. So, okay, let it go to the moon, please. Right? Gucci Inu, just be careful. Be careful, please, and thank you. Be careful. So make sure you do your research, right? Make sure you do your research. Look to buy on the dips, and then go from there. What is that, Holmes? What is that? Let me take a look at KDA. Let me see if it's available on TradingView here, and then we can go from there. KDA, are you in this? Are you in this already? It is. Are you in this play? Looking at the 1 minute time from here looks good, but let me pull up the daily. Let me see what it looks like here. It doesn't look too bad, right? It doesn't look too bad. My only concern is that this thing could easily sell off to. It could go for a nice retracement here to. I mean, like I can see some type of support at $16, right? $16 here. I could see this thing retracing to $16, but potentially even lower, right? It's gone for a really nice run up. It broke below the 9-day again. It broke below the 9-day EMA. That's always a warning sign, right? That's a signal of a top there, right? Just a recent again. We write this line again: push, test, and hold. Push, break below. That's a signal of a potential sell-up incoming. So just be careful there. Watch for $16 here to see if we can hold above that level, and then if that level doesn't hold, you're looking for a retracement to a new level, right? Not sure what that level is gonna be, but just be careful, right? If you're looking for a brand new position, if you're looking to enter, just let it sell off, right? Either wait for it to sell off and find a brand new base, right? You're gonna tell when it finds a base because it's gonna go sideways for a bit. You can either wait for that or just wait for it to clear this level. Wait for it to clear the 9-day EMA here. This level is going to be moving up and down, but wait for it to break above this 9-day EMA. If it does, then it's ready to go again. Soon. On Saitama there, I'll take a look. I know they've been it seems like someone wanted a nice dip. So that's all those that whatever article that was on the CMC there, that came out, Heavenly Fates. Right. It just seems like someone wanted a nice dip, nice dip, and they got it. It seems like it's been disproven, all the negativity there. So I'll take a look at the chart though. Are you in a position already, Heavenly? And what's your position? What are you looking for? It looks like barcodes, Christopher. Yeah. I wonder if that just kills the momentum, Christopher. I wonder if that just kills everything. But it's 6 7 money. Okay, $7 a day. In NMT game with the strategy of running big profit. Good job, money. Good job, money can fly. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, like what's your plan with it? 20, you're in it already. Okay, that really helps. Right, so you're in it already, 20 million. But like what's your entry price there? Give me some more detail, right? Just so I can I can take a look at the chart and know exactly where you're sitting at. Um, and Nicole, Nicole, you're looking at one. You're looking at this one here. What do I think about it? Let me see what your question is. Can you look it up? Okay, I'm sure. This thing looks fine to me, right? We have those all time highs at what 38 cents there. It's done really well. Again, retracements are expected when you go for runs like this. It's always going to retrace, right? Again, pump, retrace, pump again, retrace, pump, retrace, and it's looking to go again, right? So it looks completely fine here to me. Just needs to reclaim 30 cents there again. If we can reclaim 30 cents and find a base above that, right, that would be a really good sign. For now, what I would be looking for in terms of like a level that it has to hold above would be this previous high here, right? So that's usually what these charts like to do. When they go for these nice runs, what they like to do is again, previous resistance, they go for a nice run, they like to come back and test those levels and then go again, right? So that's something I'd be paying attention to there. As long as you hold above this 26 level here, 26.5, 20, yeah, 26 here, should be okay. All right, just hold about 26. About AMP, I can take a look at AMP. Just need a second opinion. Okay, I'll take a look at AMP. I will take a look. Okay, I want to know if I should buy more or just hang on to what you have. Okay, sounds good. Let me see here. Give me a second here. So, Tama, let me take a look. La la la. La, la, la. I'm just pulling up some Saitama details here. All like are you deep red on the position you have right now, Heavenly Faith? This level doesn't seem to be too bad. Like it doesn't seem to be too bad of a level here to potentially like scale, like if you're down bad, like this level isn't too bad for, again, a position to add to the position, right? Again, especially if you believe in it, if you do. And then yeah, absolutely, so that's something you have to pay attention to. If you believe in it, yeah, like this level isn't too bad for scaling in, right? But if you don't, if you're just trying to get your money back, then I'd be really careful with adding to a position that you're losing on, that you don't like, right? So that's something I would keep in mind then. As a hot trades host, let's go, Travis. uh, let's go, Jamie. You know, um, trying to say something that he would say. So, uh, Gus, for Crow, what's your position? So give me some details about Crow, and then I'll take a look. There you go, Heavenly. Hopefully that helps. Not enough to really have an opinion, I know. Well, let's see. Let's see here. Let me take a look at AMP. AMP is one that's really struggled to get back above, like, it's done nothing. Like it initially had that really strong run to like 15 cents or whatever level that was. But then it's just again, it's just done absolutely nothing, right? So AMP seems to have support here at 4.5, right? Like 4 point, like just 4.5 here. Um right. So in terms of opinions, I know there've been speculations, like a lot of speculations about these guys working with Amazon. Right, but it seems to like have some nice support around this level, like 0.045 here. So if you can get a level like that, maybe it's not too bad, right? So if you can buy the dip like right there, not maybe that might be a level to watch. That strong run with was when Coinbase listing, Christopher. Okay, thank you. Having on your investment regardless of the size. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, for AMP again, I'm not quite sure what the catalysts are, right? What's coming for this name here? No idea. So again, you have to take a look at both sides, right? This is just the technical analysis side here. You have to take a look at the fundamentals on right? So for now, it seems to have some really good support around this level here. So it's bounced to that level multiple times here. Don't want to go all the way down here to that double bottom there. So I'm just gonna leave it at that level there. Maybe I should actually. No, should be okay then. Amp. Is that Coinbase though? Let me see here. Because a different chart here might actually be better for AMP here. No, that okay. No, I'm using Binance, so it should be okay. Come to that multi community Twitter space. I invited you. I wanted to, Travis. I actually thought that was a really good idea. Like I actually thought that was a really good idea. Like a really really good idea. Having all these different communities, like not just like a safe moon uh space there, my space. Right. That was actually a really good idea. I was just busy, Travis. So send me an invite to the next one. I promise I'll show up. I just had some stuff to do. It was amazing, Travis. Okay. Yeah. That's actually a really good idea. Really, really good idea. Many other size. No, okay. More oil. No. Oh, Gus, for what? I think I missed your. I think I'm forgetting your. What were you asking for, Gus? Can you ask? Can you let me know what ticker you're asking for again? Saitama and Safe Moon. Yeah, that's actually really good, Travis. I wish. Super chat, guys, from Jerry. Jerry, thank you very much for the super chats. Uh, Jerry says, "What's your thoughts on Super Doge? They have the animated superhero comedy series airing on Thursday. I have no opinion. Right, so no opinion at all. Jerry Kelly. Um, honestly, like what you're looking for is momentum. Like that's all I'd be looking for, right? All you're looking for is momentum. If that thing can build some momentum, then yeah, maybe watch for Thursday day. If it's building some momentum into Thursday, then that's a good thing, right? And then you can maybe you look to buy it and go from there. Uh, in coins. Oh yeah, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like, right? Tyson, what's Noob for? Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, smash, smash, smash. Uh, guilty, guilty, guilty. Oh, you mean like, oh, okay, Beth. Okay, you actually Tyson, you're getting to bet. You will. Okay, there you go. There you go. So yeah, that's AMP, and let's move on to the other names here. So Shiba again retracing, right? 435 there. Avax retracing as well back to 132 here. Let me take a look and see what Bitcoin is actually looking like here. Because this drop here might just not just be a random drop. It might just be because Bitcoin is retracing back below like 57. Yeah, it's selling off, right? Bitcoin's selling off here. Everything else following. So it is what it is, right? So yeah. Again, the next level of support here. I know we have some type of support here at 57, but I'd be looking for that 55K level, right? $55,000 for Bitcoin there. Don't think we're gonna. Not sure we get there, but that would be a level that I pay attention to, right? So either 55 or reclaim 59, and then we go for 60, and then the dip is over, right? So what did you, Rocket? What did you? Uh, yeah. I'm looking for entry for Crow. Seems like everyone is. Uh, Virus, that entry was last night. Last night. For Crow. Let me pull up Crow again here. As Bitcoin drops and Crow follows, right? It's not just Crow dropping, not just where's my chart here? Na, na, na. 50, 60, 50, 67 here. I'd be looking for that 60 cent level there, right? Around like 60 cents there. I'd be looking for that level there. If we can test that level and actually hold it, then yeah, Bitcoin going to 30K, one last dip, one last dip. Travis, one last dip to $30,000. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. If it does, I mean, it's a really good support level as we know. But if it does, Travis, I don't know if it's gonna hold it. So it's either gonna have a massive bounce of that level, or it's gonna like just get a nice dip below. So popcorn madness. Yep, yep. I hope it's he's not dead, Dennis. I hope he's not dead either. This country needs to get in low. Yeah, all these like third world countries there, Travis. Mm. This is a requested drop. Yeah, I know you guys have been asking for this drop on Crow here. So and it's dropping, right? Broke below 67 there. So yeah, let's see if we can get to that resistance level we had last night, right? So at 60 cents for Crow, right? Let's see if we can retrace to 60 cents here. Or like just any level that it can test and hold at and then go from there. Best entry point was last week when it was a red day. Yeah, there you go. What's up with the sell-off? Did something happen? None of them are way off D-Rock. Do you guys, Stuart, do you see anything for Bitcoin here? Do you see anything as to why like the entire crypto market is just dipping here now? Because I don't see anything new. It's just crypto. Crypto just dips. Cortez says, "Let's go, Crow. Let's go, Cortez." Was yep, Crow buying was good. Jan February when it was 5 cents. Yeah, easier said than done though, right, Christopher? Scale different levels starting at 65. You think okay, sounds good. Well, again, if you're looking for an entry, like the best strategy always is, because it's not exactly easy to catch the bottom. So the strategy is, if you like it longer term, right, there's nothing wrong with like slowly scaling in and looking for multiple levels to buy, right? So uh Tori says go to bed, we have a long day tomorrow for the stocks. Yeah, we have yeah, yeah, we can hang for a few more minutes and then take a break, right? So again, a reminder, if you haven't smashed a like, let's get to 200 likes, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. Right, so smash a like. Less than 20 more likes, so smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes, and yeah, and then we can take a break in like in like 10 minutes or something, 5 minutes, whatever. uh a low volume and futures experiment Friday. Yeah, Thanksgiving week. So yeah, I'm sure the market is going to be rubbish this week. right? Like just slow, slow, slow because of Thanksgiving. Like not just crypto but stocks as well. So greetings from VI. What's support for Avax? Let me take a look. I'll take a look at Avax. Have a great night, D Rock. Have a great night. Downward, buddy. I know, right? The rocket. Get rid of the rocket. That's what I need to do. Just need to get rid of that rocket. 9 months already. Time gone. You get a new batch to 9 months. It's wait 9 months, Christo. Wow. You get a new badge tomorrow. Okay. I'm excited for those new badges. Super excited for those new badges. The watermelon badge. I think someone had a question here. So for AVAX, let me take a look at AVAX. So that's AVAX here, right? It's done really well. Let me pull up the daily chart here and see if we can find actually any support levels, right? So, um, um, yeah, like the next level I see here is like 120, but really like 110, right? I don't know if you're gonna get these levels here. Sure, Stuart can chime in here. But the last resistance level that I see that we really struggled at was 110. So is that a level we're gonna test? I don't know. But that would be a nice level there to look at, right? So 110, $100, on $90. So every 10 cents here from 110, right? So just because again, so these candles have been quite like these are some big candles here, and they don't really give us like confidence in terms of like, oh, we have support at this level. I'm sure you can look for like 120 1 cent, like every $10 below, right? So or just be patient here and see if we can find a base. So what I'd be looking for is just a nice dip, right? I'd be looking for a nice dip here to 110 or something like that, or waiting for this thing to regain momentum. If we start pushing for those 145 147s again, 140s, yeah, again, forget about the dip. It's gonna run again, right? So either wait for retracement or wait for momentum to again wait for signs of momentum and then go from there. Market generally, but could pull back if BTC can continue. Exactly right, Stuart. Yeah. So either wait for a nice dip, right? So like 1 cent and wherever whatever level that is, right? Or wait for it to start pushing for 147s again. If it does, that's a clear signal that yeah, there's still momentum and it wants to go. So um, there you go. I would be patient. Yeah, no, just be patient. You want to be patient with like all of these names that have gone on some crazy runs, anyways, right? Like try not to FOMO. I know it's fun, it's exciting, and they're running, but like really try not to FOMO on these names here. Try not to FOMO. For Saitama, Panit, uh, like, do you like Saitama because like you believe in it, or like what's your like? I'm just trying to get like trying to understand like where your like where your interest is coming from. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. Volume precedes price, right? So when you can see that volume coming in, it's a clear signal. Like there's usually a message when it comes to volume. Mm, I don't think is it actually available on here? No, it shouldn't be. With Saitama here, no, it shouldn't be available. Not really. Not really. Mm, no, yeah, it seems like everything is just slowly retracing as Bitcoin is dropping, guys. Everything is retracing with it, right? So, Avax dropping, right? Crow dropping as well. Crow seems to be finding like Crow seems to be finding a base around like 1 6 like 6 6 here. Seems to be finding a base here, so it's trying to turn around. Like you can see these candles like that. That's quite the sell off again. That's quite the candle there, and it's trying to turn around here now. So any coins long term have reflection properties. Okay. Yeah, those reflections are meant to yeah, those reflections are meant to, you know what they're meant to do. So mm, uh la, la. Oh yeah, no, Christopher got in very early into Shiba, and is yeah, Chris. Like, are you worried at all? Like, do you have like, how are you feeling, Chris? I know you have a big position in Shiba, and you're sitting on some very nice gains. Are you feeling like, are you losing confidence at all? Like, are you feeling any type of way? I think I know the answer to that, but I just want to get your opinion. Uh, uh, Scaling at 67. Okay, yeah. Let's see again. So, like, it might just be better. It might be better here, virus. If again, if this candle can close above the 9-day EMA, and then it's gonna turn around, right? But you can see here for now, it's clearly failing at that level. So let's see if we can close above, right? Right, virus. So yeah, for me, like it's really like it's when I yeah. So let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can clear that. If not, it's gonna continue selling off, right? You can see how it's riding that line, like it's hitting it and failing. So it needs to break above. If not, it's gonna continue selling off here. And there it goes, right? So just be aware that there's some resistance there. So Shiba slowly approaching 43. Avax 130, right? 130. Let's see if it can continue selling off here, or if we can find the base as well. So as Bitcoin sells off, all these names are gonna follow. Let me take a look again. Let me take a look and see what BTC is doing here, guys. Um, yeah, Bitcoin is not helping at all. Not helping at all, guys. It's just selling off. So and everything is following. Uh, into Doge, $2,000, and then you bought some sheep. Okay, Chris. Mm, okay, sounds good, Christopher. 10K over on profits. Okay. No, good job. I know you made some very nice gains on Shiba. Some very, very nice gains. Some very nice gains. Travis, you want to buy the dip? Buy the dip, Travis. Buy the dip on everything. On Shiba especially for you. Yeah, I don't know, honestly, D-Rock. I can't find anything yet. Right, so I can't find anything. Can't find anything there. Gus, thank you very much. I would take and run. I would take 100K and run. No, again, that's the same conviction that's made Chris a lot of money, right? So they just believing in holding. Same thing that Travis does for Save Moon. But yeah, again, that's yeah. Try and build my Flux and Kata position. Also, build a position in Atari. Okay, high leverage at the okay. Okay, interesting. Thank you, Gus. Yeah, let's go, Gus. Don't forget to smash a like. Yeah, smash a like. Na 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 na. Mm. Any last questions before we hop off and come back tomorrow? Any last questions, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. And there it is, right? Stuart, right again. So struggling to break above that 90 EMA there and sold off, right? So little sell off there. So I would be waiting for it to reclaim that level before, again, as we're riding it lower, I'd be waiting for it to reclaim that level before you look to add to that position, right? So and then go from there. Scaling. There we go. 12 more likes, guys. 12 more likes, and let's get to 200 likes. Wow. Travis, wow. 12 more likes, guys, and let's get to 200 likes. And yeah, and then let's hang for like 4 minutes and then take a break, right? So again, the goal for these like night streams are always like 2 hours, but we always seem to go over every single time. So I'm going to bed. See you tomorrow. Finally, D Rock. Okay, good night. Go to bed. What for stocks, Karinda? I'm looking for some looking for like lucid calls. If lucid breaks below like 50, and then looking for some puts, looking for Apple, just a whole bunch of things. I'll post some more stuff in the morning tomorrow for the stock market. So Look at Bitcoin, guys. Like Bitcoin is not helping at all. Look at Bitcoin. Then broke below 57, right? We talked about again. Your next level of support ultimately is like 57, $55,000 there. So below 59, you're looking for 55, right? So it's slowly creeping towards that level. And if it does go to that level, well, guess what? It's gonna take everything with it, right? So Avax dropping, right? Crow dropping as well. So Bitcoin, uh, listen to yourself by now. Oh, future save moon. I was like, who's that? I'm pretty sure that's Travis. AMC. Yeah, I've seen a lot of talk. GME calls. Yeah. Maddie. Right. That's actually something that I just looked at as well. Some GME calls. Uh, uh, yeah. Is that Travis or is that Peter? Travis or no? That's not Peter. That's some. I don't know who that is. But yeah. So some GME calls. Those things seems to be those. Yeah. I'll take a look. That's funny. There you go. Green, because I'm in speaking as well. Next chat. When I arrived earlier, oh Christy, you still can become a member on the strike. Maddie, okay. 250 and on the strike, yeah. So you can you're trying to be like, is it not working for you still? Yeah, I'm not sure what to tell you, Maddie. Not Maddie, Christy, like how to become a member. So either like follow this link here, like follow that link that Virus and Scotty just posted there, or just again, or just send me an email, Christy. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I'll send you a membership link so you can just use that instead. So one of the two, they should work. It's the same thing, right? It's the same membership link there. So, but it might not. Yeah, I'm not sure. Mm, There we go. Again, as Bitcoin continues to retrace here, guys, all these names are going to follow, right? All these names are going to follow. So, Crow, no different. So now, again, almost like now, if you're looking for a position, you're either like scaling and slowly scaling in, or you're just waiting for Bitcoin to just, like drop to its support level at 55, and then you look to scale in into your positions, like buy the dips, right? So, I used it last time, but you try again, Christy. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not working for you. Free Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, you get Bitcoin if you use it. You get $100 worth of Bitcoin if you sign up for like if you sign up for iTrust Stewart Zoltan break did. What do you mean Zoltan? What do you mean? There you go. Yeah, guys, thank you for smashing the like. 200 likes. Thank you for smashing the like. Thank you for welcome for the new members. Welcome. Referral links, yeah. No, yeah, Stuart, yeah. Welcome to the new subscribers as well, right? So let me know if you have any last questions. We're gonna take a break and come back tomorrow. What's up with Shiba? I mean, Shiba is going down just like everything else. Yeah, it's on a downtrend. So again, once it breaks above that downtrend, then you can expect it to go for a nice run. I send you to back. Oh, I don't know, Stuart. Unless it's something else. And glasses. Good to see. Yeah. Oh, Zoltan. Yeah. No, my eyes were the lights. Like way too many lights. Way too many lights. So my eyes were. So I needed some glasses. Mm. The next level to be watching Raja would be like 60 cents. 60 cents. What's up, Trey? Hello. Wow, you guys are all showing up when we're about to leave. Unbelievable. Trey, Zoltan. How you guys all showing up late? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Call me Alpha. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Right. So to see how Bitcoin does, yeah, it will be almost wow down almost $2,000 here in the last yeah $2,000 guys. Wow, for BTC virus. All right, down by days. There you go, Zoltan. Yeah, as in the future she does. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Family date night? Oh no, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Travis says interesting. Unbelievable, Travis. Unbelievable. Right, Beth? Like Beth, what do you think is going on, Beth? What do you think? Family traits not acceptable. Not acceptable, Stuart. Mm. And unlimited supply. Um, people always say it's not the same, Jason. It's not the same, right? So we don't want to go into the supply rubbish anymore. But so again, take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin again, Bitcoin goes for like a nice $200 run there, and guess what? All these like Avax is now going for like Avax goes for a nice run as well. Right, Crow goes for a nice little run there as well. So again, it's all dependent on like what Bitcoin does here, right? Bitcoin goes, all these names turn around. So it's just what it is, right? So let's see if Crow can break up of that 90 EMA there, which it seems is trying to, right? But again, all up to Bitcoin here. Nice white hat. Where's the white hat? No, no, Jason. Take a look at Coin Market Cap. So search up Market Cap and take a look. Like take a look at the supply, right? Again, Shiba and Doge are right beside each other there. Take a look. Yay candles, yay green candles, yay green candles. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the night. Thank you, Travis. Wow. We're gonna leave it here again. Thank you very much for the support. As always, amazing, right? So don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe if you're new for the next stream. Hit that notification bell as well. If you want to become a member and join us in Discord, become a member, right? Become a member and then send me an email at the top of the screen there. I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. But again, we're gonna leave it here. Have a wonderful Sunday evening. The week starts tomorrow. Much love, Beth, Virus, Jason. No, but again, just take a look, Jason. Take a look. It's not quite that. It's not that simple, right? So, um, I don't know. Isn't I wonder why Future Blaze isn't a member. I don't know. Maybe because I don't know what to tell you. Almost Brendan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cortez. Thank you. Have a good night. Travis, go to bed, please. Peace out, Stuart. Scotty, good night. Rest of the hot trades team. There you go. Like Bitcoin is going for a nice little run there. It should help. Should help Crow and everything else, right? So Bitcoin pumping, right? That's a $400 move there almost. And Crow's now back above actually, right? So four green candles on everything, right? It's like magic, right? Four green, four green, four green. So Bitcoin is clearly in control for now. So whatever it wants to do, that's what the market is going to follow, right? Grinding college, work before finals, clubbing. Okay, that's okay. Sounds good. Good night, Corinda. Good night, Posey. Night doesn't make any. Yeah, there you go. Good night, guys. Alrighty. See you guys on the next stream. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.